I'm Hamza bin Azman from UKG A. Today we're going to do a science experiment. It's called lava lantern. All the ingredients are water, oil, food coloring, special tablets, glitter, and a container. First, we need to put food coloring inside the container. Then we have to put oil inside the container. Then we have to put oil inside the container. Oil is up, the water is down because water is heavier than oil. Then we have to put glitter inside the container. Finally, we have to put special tablets inside the container. Now see the magic. It's cool, right? Jazakallah khairan.